In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the coolant reservoir on this Ford F-150. This is going to be located under the hood on the driver's side. Let's get into it. You want to make sure the engine is cool. You don't want it to be hot or there's going to be pressure in here. Once it's cool, take this cap off. I'm going to use a fluid extractor and take as much coolant out as possible. If you don't have a coolant extractor, when you take the lower hose out, you are going to have coolant dripping on the ground, so you want to make sure you have a drain bucket underneath to catch any of that coolant. Now I can pull that tube out. It's got all the coolant out. Now using some hose clamp pliers, just move this hose clamp. You can pull this hose off. Set that aside. There's a hose clamp down below. Do the same, just move the hose clamp. Move that down. You can grab the hose, give it a wiggle. It's on there pretty tight. Using a pick, I'm just gonna get underneath the hose, just try to loosen it up. Just try not to stab the hose. Grab the hose, give it a wiggle. And if you weren't able to drain all the coolant out, you put a drain bucket underneath. And we got a little bit of coolant come out. Set that hose aside. Using a 8mm socket, we're going to take these two bolts out. There's one on the side here. And there's one down below. Take those out. There is a relay box that should be attached to the wall right here on this vehicle. It's broken. There's a bracket right here with a 8mm. You're going to use a 8mm socket. Take this off. Then you can take the box off and slide that out of the way. And grab the reservoir, slide it forward. And it comes right out. Now take the coolant reservoir. Just make sure that box is out of the way. Slide that on the bracket right there. Take the bolts. Get those started. Tighten this down. Now you want to take that box, get that lined up. Ours is broken. Put the screw in. Should be like that. Snug that down. Now take the lower coolant hose. Get that lined up. Push that on. Now take the pliers. Hose clamp pliers, and you want to move that hose clamp. Get that lined up. That's good. Now take this hose, get this lined up. Squeeze that hose clamp. Push that on. Make sure the line is up top. That looks good. Now you want to take the appropriate coolant and fill up the reservoir. Make sure it's a 50-50 mixture of coolant and water. And fill it up to the full line right there. let it stabilize a little bit. And you can start the vehicle, let it run for about a minute. If the level goes down, top it off a little bit more. Then you can put the cap on. Let the vehicle run for about 15 to 20 minutes, monitoring the coolant temperature, making sure the engine's not overheating. Then shut the vehicle off, let it cool down. Once it's cool, adjust the level accordingly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.